Hi everybody, I'm out here metal detecting and I'm just out in front of the house. This area right here, sorry about the wind, I bet there's some wind noise. I am just wondering if I might find some old stuff here, because in 1910 we have an old picture of a bunch of old cars that were parked here for a party. Now I'll show you the picture and get started to see if I can find anything. Alright, so I got a faint 90 signal with my Garrett AT Pro in this hole, and then I lost it. So it showed it was like 10 inches down. So I don't know what I'm gonna find. There's also some iron signals in this hole, so I'm not sure what that is. And there's what's sitting over here. Anyway, right there. So let's see what we find. All right, so I got it out of the hole. So let's see what it is. Pepper? You think this hole is? Oh dear, you guys. Wire. It's wire. No. I mean, this looks like fresh wire, and it was down that deep. Hello. Oh dear. Okay, well, fun times. Okay, so I'm practicing my plugs. Look, I got the plug back in there pretty good, but I just have dirt, you know, laying on top of the grass. But this is not an important spot. So as long as the grass is back in, good, I think we're fine. But if I was in the yard, I would lay down a cloth. I had an 82 to 85 signal in this hole, so and it's down deep, but I wonder if this is it. My word, what is it? We got a big old nail. Let's see if there's anything else in there. I've been nailed. Okay, I got a 78, 80 signal in this hole, so it showed like it was down 6 inches or so. Well, maybe more. Let me figure it out. Well, I got a 22 shell. There's going to be lots of those around here. And I filled in my plug, so nice and neat, except for all that dirt and deer duds. Okay, I got an 80 signal here in this spot. Let's see if we can find anything. It says 10 inches down. Okay, it's beeping on something. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so I got it out of the hole. I'm not sure what this black stuff is. Looks like coal. Huh. Oh. It's... Well, this is what I got. I dug up that one hole with all this wire and a few nails. And, you know, I thought it had 78 and 80, 99. So, not sure, can't find anything in that hole. And that was down about 8 inches. Fun times, but getting out here looking for stuff. Join me in these other treasure hunting videos from the ranch. And check this video out where I went snorkeling for treasure last summer. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thanks so much for watching.